Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us today in the launch of Huawei Enterprise here in Nexus. We are so glad to be here with you and celebrate this alliance that I'm sure it's going to be very beneficial for all our partners here in the Caribbean territory. So for now, I would like to introduce my colleagues that are here with us today, and we have the Nexus team, we have the Huawei team, we have prepared some presentations that will be very delightful for you. So let me introduce you the Nexus team. Here we have Samantha. Samantha, hi. She is our territory manager for Trinidad and Tobago. We also have here Shade. She is our territory manager in Jamaica, and from Huawei side, we have here Cecilia, that she is joining us in the marketing team, and also we have Tudor. Let me see, guys, can you confirm me that you can um, see the people here in the main stage? Yeah, I see you now. Thank you. We have here Cecilia from the marketing side in Huawei. We also have Tudor John, that is joining us. He is at the account director here in Huawei. Yeah, and we also have David here, that he will be joining us in a very smooth presentation about the portfolio, also Idea Hub, and all of these interesting things. So, with no further ado, I will let you with my partner Samantha and Shade. They will talk to you about Nexus and the importance of this alliance here with Huawei. So, Samantha, Shade, thank you very much for being here with us. I will put your presentation now. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. Now we can see the presentation.
No problem. Hi, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Samantha Diraj, and I am the territory manager of Nexus. I'm based here in Trinidad and Tobago. This morning, we are here to really look at and discuss the partnership that we have with the Huawei brand with Nexus. And I just want to share that, digitalization, digital transformation, it's always progressing. And as it does so, it brings profound changes impacting individuals, families, enterprises, and industry, even entire cities and countries as well. And with the introduction of digital transformation and digital technologies, all aspects of human society, from artificial intelligence to the cloud and the Internet of Things, this is something that we are supporting as Nexus through our partnership with Huawei. Raquel, can you just confirm that the Teams live is on by chance?
Yeah,
Because
Sam,
I see
it's on, and
messages
we
saying
have
that it's
it's on, and we have our partners there joining us. So welcome everybody in the live event in Teams, and also for all the people that is joining us via Facebook and YouTube.
okay. So, just to give you a quick overview of the agenda today, I will discuss, as well as with my colleague Shadi, the overview of who we are as Nexus within the Caribbean space as an ICT distributor, our value incentives, and our customer focused strategies, the benefits of working with Nexus and Huawei, and of course, next steps to getting started and working with us. In terms of who we were actually founded back in 1989 as a distributor in Latin America, and we've been one of the leading distributors across Latin America as it relates to our value add. We have a very diverse solution portfolio, and it's very extensive, ranging from hardware and software solutions, keeping up with the dynamic ICT market. We're very strategic as it relates to our experience, our agility, and expertise within the ICT market, and of course, the various sectors and industries that we work with, from energy to finance to education and government. So these are some of the key factors that define Nexus. Where we are in terms of our position, we're positioned across Latin America, over in 21 countries and 32 cities. We have local offices here in Trinidad and Tobago and in Jamaica, and we manage and support our ICT partners and their end customers throughout the Caribbean. We have a designated team of engineers and support that are able to help with various POCs, etc. And that really focuses on our value add as a distributor. We're able to provide training and education to our partners. We provide tools and resources to really assist those partners and support to go to market and enablement plans that we have, various complex trainings and roadmaps. And our goal is really to help our partners solve complex trainings and increase their revenue. We have credit services available as well for medium and long term commercial closing for business deals, strategy development, POCs, demos, any sort of pre sale support that you require, or sales support as well, project management support, and of course, our geo coverage and local resources. And of course, we have lead generation support and we have funds that are available for marketing. With that being said, I'll now pass you over to my colleague Shade, who would share the commercial strategy.
Good morning. So, the main purpose of today's event is to sensitize the partners to some of the general tenants of Huawei solutions, along with making everyone know about Nexus and their relationship with Huawei. That is, position or ourselves to strengthen the region, both Jamaica, Trinidad, and the rest of the Caribbean. Huawei took the opportunity to introduce us as a distributor to you to provide a natural relationship of partner building. So, today's event will also focus on what we provide to you as Nexus, the benefits.
Um, Shade, excuse me that I interrupt you.
Sure. Can you hear me very well?
Yeah. Now you are good to go.
I am sorry. Well, I'll start over.
Don't worry. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Raquel. So, as I said earlier, the main purpose of today's event is to sensitize the partners to some of the general tenants of Huawei solutions. What we're doing is making everyone know the relationship with Huawei and Nexus and our positioning in the Caribbean, both Trinidad, Jamaica, and the rest of the islands, to strengthen the region. Huawei took the opportunity to introduce the main products through us to you, and it's also critical for you, for us to provide you with understanding about monetizing connectivity. So next slide, please, Sam. Because digital transformation is underway globally with nations around the world, setting digital strategies is very important for us and you. And of course, some of the areas we're going to focus and some of the industries we're going to focus on with our partnership is education, government, finance, energy, and transportation. As an enterprise partner, we have some of the same goals. Growth. We are going to help you grow by constant business monetizing and monitoring, channel development, developing of opportunities, marketing plans, as Samantha mentioned earlier, shared funds. We're going to leverage all the monetary assistance we can give you, and of course, business plans to enhance and aimed at knowledge at building new opportunities. So for one of the benefits we give to you is that we have local presence. You have Samantha sitting in Trinidad, myself in Jamaica, and we have our another resource Solimar who sees some of the other territories in the Caribbean. But our main points of contact is both Samantha and yourself. With this, we have a regional product manager dedicated to you and this brand, along with certified engineers to assist you with maybe some of the deficiencies on your side related to technical support. We also support you with billing as a third party between you, your client, and the manufacturer Huawei. Uh, and with this, we also leverage financial assistance to you, as Samantha mentioned earlier in her presentation about credit. Uh, for the rest of the presentation, I'll hand over to Raquel, who will introduce the Huawei team who will be doing the presentation for today. Thank you, Raquel.
Thank you, Shade, for your presentation, and also thank you, Sam, for your presentation. Really, here in Nexus, we are really glad that we are joining the Huawei team and that we can also provide the services to you in the Caribbean territory. We really want you to feel like to feel in good spirits that you can reach to us. We can help you with everything you need. So right now, I want to introduce you to Tudor. He is Tudor is our account director in Huawei, and he is going to tell us some words, and then we can join the presentation that we have for you today about the Huawei portfolio and also the Idea Hub. So thank you, Tudor, for being here with us today. The stage is yours.
Thank you, Raquel. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We really appreciate your time. As introduced, my name is Trudeau John. I'm the Enterprise Director in Trinidad. So I represent the government private sector enterprise business in Trinidad. In Trinidad, we have three distinct business streams. Government enterprise, we also support carrier, and we also support consumer mobile business. I am joined on this presentation by two of my colleagues, both of which will be presenting. I am joined by Mr. Daken David, as we call him. So he's the Regional Solutions Director. So he will present later on this presentation on Huawei's solution portfolio. I'm also supported by my regional support engineer, Mr. Adam Villafana, and he will present on one of our go-to-markets, the Huawei Idea Hub. I don't know if a lot of you may be seeing the media and a lot of coverage around the Huawei Idea Hub. We really believe this is one of the technologies that could assist in the COVID pandemic, and we're getting a lot of traction around it. I have a brief presentation just to share to you some of the benefits of being a Huawei partner. All right, let me know when you see my presentation.
We can see it now.
Everybody see my presentation?
Yeah, we can see it.
Fantastic. Right. So at Huawei, we have several types of partnerships. The partnerships that we want to focus on is the sales partner. So it'll be typically hardware resellers, solution providers. So this is the partnership that we believe is best suited for the type of company that we're presenting to. Right. So the very, very basic level of partnership is the authorized partner. So I know a lot of you are authorized to transact Huawei business. So it's a very simple process. We could work with you and you could work directly with Nexus as well. It's a very simple registration process where you upload your documents. It is verified, and in a matter of days, you're a Huawei authorized partner. What we want to encourage you to do is to explore the higher levels of partnership, the silver and gold partnerships. And these are the partnerships that you really begin to reap the benefits of being a Huawei partner. As a Huawei partner, we have several different incentives that we're more than willing to have a one-on-one with you. Just as an example, we have a capability rebate. So this depends on how many engineers that you have certified. We support you in terms of marketing activities. So we have the joint marketing funds. We have marketing development funds to assist you in any seminars, any workshops, any proof of concept. We also provide a demo support program. So as you could see, there's a myriad of benefits that take place if it is that you're a Huawei partner. We're more than willing to go through this with you and come up with a personalized plan. Right? In terms of the actual incentives, the interaction actual amounts. So as you could see, the monetary benefit to you increases as you go up in partner capability. At the very lowest, we have the silver partner, which you get 0.25% on by selling the Fusion servers. And the non-silver products, you actually get 2% rebates. So we could go into this in further detail. If you have any questions, please let me know. We actually look forward to presenting this to the individual partners. Right? In terms of the requirements to being a partner,
Hi,
at the very
Tudor. Sorry to interrupt you.
sure.
Just letting you know, the slides are not changing. I don't know if you can put the presentation in like in presentation mode. We are seeing like the first slide.
Okay, sure, no problem. Hold on, let me just.
Thank you.
All right, let me know if you're seeing the.
Let me know. Let me see.
Are you seeing it now?
I can see that you are sharing. I can
Okay,
see the presentation. Can you share it again, please?
sure. Okay, are you seeing the global ecosystem?
Yeah. Now I see the global ecosystem.
Okay, apologies for that. So I'll
Don't
be very
worry.
quick.
Thank you.
Right. So as I mentioned before, we have several types of partners. The partners that we want to focus on are the sales partners. So this is our main types of partners that we support. Right. Just to reiterate, we have different types of partners depending on your level of capabilities. Most partners that are signed up are authorized partners. So that is the first level of partnership. Very simple process. Right. Again, several incentives to you as a Huawei partner to support your business. We have rebates. So we have everything from base rebates, market capability rebates, and then we also do marketing support rebates. Right. So we support you both from the pre-sales and on the marketing side. Right. So this is and this would be shared to the partners. This is just an example of the actual percentage rebates. So as I said before, the higher up you go in terms of your partnership and your capabilities, whether you're a silver or gold or value added partner, the more rebates that you get. Right. In terms of the certifications, right, you were required to move from authorized partner to a silver partner. You're required to have a performance threshold of about 250K, as well as you will need to have certified engineers on board. Right. So this is just an introduction. More than willing to go into it and come up with an individual partner plan for you. Thank you very much, and I hand back over to Raquel. Take care.
Thank you very much, Tudor. As you can see, here with Huawei, we just have a very big alliance and we can help you in so many ways. So now, with no further ado, I want to introduce Adam, that is going to help us with the presentation of the portfolio. So let me see. Welcome, Adam. We are so glad that you can join us here today.
It's a pleasure. Hi, good morning, everyone.
Hi,
So
good morning.
I'll be going through some of the functionality of the idea of devices, not the portfolio.
Oh, excuse me. I think in the agenda we have David with the portfolio, right?
Uh,
So excuse me, everybody. We can here we have David. Thank you very much for joining us here today. So we will start with the portfolio, and then we can make the Idea Hub demo and presentation.
Okay, could you allow me to share screen?
Yeah, let me tell you. I can't see it. Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Good morning. It's my great honor to have this opportunity to present to you about Huawei solution. Okay, my topic is digital transformation for Caribbean. So I go to next slide. Could you see my slide switch? Right, the second slide you can see.
Yeah, we can see it.
Now I come to the contents. The content can be divided into two parts, include Huawei overview and Huawei B2B introduction. So let us go to the first part first. So about Huawei, also introduction. So founded in the 1987, now we are a leading global provider of ICT infrastructure and smart device, right? And our vision and mission is to bring digital to every person, home, and organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. So our business covers four key domains, for example, telecom network, enterprise network, cloud services, and smart device. And today, we will focus on the enterprise business. So about Huawei Latin, actually Huawei has entered the Latin for more than 20 years. So we have a very strong platform in this region. We have the more than 20 office and more than 4,000 employees. And we have 3 supply center, 1 global service center, and 1 regional service center, and 3 training center. And for our cloud, public cloud, we also have 5 local nodes in Latin America. Okay. About the digital transformation, Huawei has been working extensively globally and Latin American for digital transformation. Until now, Huawei has supported digital transformation in more than 40 countries and more than 120 cities, such as Shenzhen, Beijing, Dubai, Singapore, and Philippines globally. There are also many successful cases in Latin America, such as helping the Mexican federal government implement its Internet for All strategy, building the network interconnection for more than 1,000 schools, right? And we provide a digital campus solution for Central American Higher University Council. And we also provide online diagnosis and treatment platform for Panama, Guatemala, Dominican Republic, and Honduras. So after introduce Huawei overview, let me come to our solution part, our B2B solution. So our B2B solution include 4 solutions for you today. The first one will be the cloud campus. Actually, you can see Huawei has invested more than 25 years in data communication industry. So our continuous R&D and innovation make Huawei data communication leader in this industry. And we provide end-to-end data communication portfolios, including solution of cloud campus, wider area network and data center network, and cyber security. And we have end-to-end product, including switch, router, AP, and firewall. And our solution being highly recognized by the industry. Today, I would like to focus on Huawei Cloud Campus Network solution because in this Caribbean area, most of the data communication requirements come from campus network. Okay, this is the trend of campus network. Now we are moving to a cloud era. So nowadays, most of the connection is wireless connection, while it's only a supplement, right? And many applications today are deployed in the cloud side. Huawei believe our campus network should have the following 4 characteristics to be able to fulfill a variety of requirements in the cloud era in cloud campus. Firstly, wireless will become the first link method. Secondly, no matter where your global business is, there should be only one network solution. And thirdly, so management shift from the local to the cloud by using the new cloud technology, implements a network will be very simple. And the last one, for intelligent operation and maintenance, the analysis of quality user network is based on big data. So the automation made the network maintenance more precisely and more active. So Huawei has launched our Cloud Campus 3.0. So first, we use the leading Wi-Fi 6 technology to increase the speed. And we also use the cloud management solution to make sure the implementation and maintenance become easier, right? And here, especially I want to introduce one Huawei star product, AI Engine 8716. So this is the industry's exclusive 16T 16R smart antenna Wi-Fi. It has many the advantage in the coverage, in the throughput, and also in the integration with the IoT applications. So this Wi-Fi can support, one AP can support more than 10 Gbps. So this is the highest in the industry. Based on the scenario, right, we have the different kind of AP, Wi-Fi 6 AP. We will provide more detail. You can also come into our website for more information. Okay, here I would also like to introduce the very good technology, because the Wi-Fi 6 throughput is so big, so we need a high quality and flexible wide network to connect all the access points to the device. Our latest hybrid copper fiber cables allow the end user to take the advantage of DC power and fiber in one cable to safely deliver the over 100 watt power. So this solution can support over 300-meter distance to connect the AP to our switch. So this is a very good technology, can improve the coverage. Okay, next, I'm pleased to announce our new multi-G switch, that's Cloud Engine 5736S. This switch uses innovative RTU, which can provide different interface based on the license, right? And this switch also can provide up to the 90 watt PoE++ on one single port. It's very best access switch for the Wi-Fi 6 solution. Okay, now I would like to talk about something about SD-WAN. SD-WAN is a hot topic today because this technology allows organizations to use the cheaper connection types than MPLS. With the adoption of public cloud, reliable and efficient data interconnection is critical. How to build a high performance but simple wide area network? Huawei SD-WAN solution is the answer. Our solution supports 5G and wider uplinks to implement the high-speed interconnection between branches and the headquarters, as well as the cloud, helping enterprise quickly expand the service. So with the adoption of SD-WAN, network entities are plug and play, which means branches to be connected to the cloud in one hop and achieve network connectivity in one day. So to enhance our SD-WAN solution, we now launch a new product. It's the AR8140. This is an all-new high-performance intelligent routing gateway, and it supports both SRv6 and SD-WAN. It achieves high-speed interconnection across the campus and WAN. So together with this SRv6 on the backbone network, this product implements full path intelligent traffic steering and offer 10 milliseconds latency. So it provides a very good performance to our customer. Now we come to the NCE. This is the operation and management system for our IP network. So this platform using the AI technology can solve the actual problem of enterprise easily. So it ensures a very high efficiency implementation and operations. And we also would like to introduce our another product. It's the Campus Insight. So this product can support real-time visibility of the customer experience, right? So you have maybe in the customer's network, you have some VIP user. You need to make sure the wireless network experience is good. So you can use this tool. Okay, actually, you can see Huawei Cloud Campus solution wins global recognition across the industry. Many customers from different industries choose Huawei Cloud Campus solution. Okay, and finally, about the IP network, I need to do some summary. There are 4 reasons for choosing Huawei Cloud Campus, right? The first one is Huawei's overall performance in the campus network market is highly recognized. And second is Huawei ranked #1 among the device vendor in the patent quality ranking. So we are leading contributor in the Wi-Fi 6 technology. In addition, Huawei keeps to be the leader in global switch and router market. And last one, our intelligent operation and maintenance platform has been used in Huawei all campus for more than 19,000 employees and continues to the optimized. Okay, now we come to, after introduce the cloud campus, we come to our IT part. Today, I would like to focus on storage. So Huawei has invested more than 25 years in the storage industry. So our continuous R&D and innovation make our storage leader in industry. Our storage solutions are serving the more than 10K global customers. And our storage is highly recognized by the industry. For example, Huawei is positioned as a leader in the 2021 Magic Quadrant for primary storage by Gartner. And normally we have 6 kinds of storage solution. I will introduce to you here one by one. The first is Huawei Ocean Store Dorado all-flash storage system. So this flash storage are used for mission-critical services, for example, banking, ERP, and building of enterprise. Powered by the innovative hardware, Huawei's Dorado 6 is scalable to 16 controller, supporting the 7 million SPC input and output operation per second. So, and with only the less than 1 millisecond latency. And the second solution is about our Huawei Ocean Store Pacific series. So this is used in the big data and video storage scenario. For example, like the CCTV, you have many feeds. So you can consider this kind of the storage, right? This storage provides the high space utilization of compared to the traditional storage. So this can save a lot of investment. And the third one is Huawei Fusion Cube. This is a hyper-converged infrastructure. So it combines computer storage network, virtualization, management into one cabinet. So this can help the customer to simplify the management, right, and ensure fast delivery. And another one is Huawei. The first one is Huawei Ocean Protect data protect solution. So this is in the scenario of disaster recovery and backup files. And the fifth one is DME. Huawei's data management engine is an intelligent storage management platform designed for a wide range of applications, offering convergence, intelligence, and openness feature. And the last one is storage professional service. As we know, when you deliver one storage to customer, you may need a lot of professional service like the migration, right? Like the assessment. So Huawei have a very professional tool and professional team to do this work. Okay, now after introduce the storage solution, allowed me to come to the data center facility. So actually, Huawei digital power is a very, very big product line. So we have the solution like we have the solution including the site power facility, DC facility, smart PV and power, and modular power. So today we will focus on the DC facility. Here I would like to introduce the Huawei smart modular data centers. So modular data center are already widely used in all the industry worldwide, including the carrier, internet service provider, government, finance, education, and healthcare. And based on the scenario, we have the indoor solution and outdoor solution. In Caribbean, most of our customers choose the micro and small DC solution. As we saw here is the Fusion Model 500 and Fusion Model 800. So today, I would like to focus this solution. And first is the Fusion Model 800. So this is the solution, indoor smart DC solution that is designed to support a maximum of 12 racks and an IT load of 25 kW. And we have the Fusion Model 500. So this is a smaller smart DC solution. It integrates the power distribution unit and the UPS, battery, and monitoring system into one cabinet. So this significantly reduces the physical footprints as well as cost, with all the components prefabricated. So on-site installation and deployment of a smart mini data center can be completed within just 1 to 2 hours. So this can support the rapid service rollout and service online. So as you can see, we have 3 features, right? For our FM 500 and 800. The first one is simple. So it only needs 2 steps to divide one the data center. You just want to confirm the total load and the redundancy DI is okay. Compared to the traditional solution, it needed around 21 steps. So this saved around 90% of the DI time. And second is the construction. So we only need 2 days, 2 days for the prefabricated DC to finish construction, because once it finished manufacturing, it's prefabricated. It can be delivered very fast. And the third and another highlight is efficient, right? Compared to the traditional solution, it can save a lot of area because it's all in one solution. And next is the about the efficient its PUE is very done, only 1.37. So this can save a lot of energy. And about the reliable, we can see because Huawei AC have won the patent DI, even with the 10% of the load, still reliable due to the humidification. So this can help make sure the equipment running good. And last one is about the operation and maintenance. So we can support remote monitoring and operation use mobile app or PC. So this can save a lot of time for the maintenance engineer. So as you can see, we have so many highlights that our data center market share is leading in the industry, right? We have many number one, was number one for prefabricated DC facility, was number one in modular UPS, right? And number one in modular DC, and China's number one in row. So last part is about the intelligent collaboration, right? So Huawei intelligent collaboration endpoints are classified into 3 series. First one is Cloud Link Professional Telepresence series that provides reliable high-end meeting and virtualized collaboration command service with a large number of concurrency. And second is our Idea Hubs, so which is designed for digital office and team collaboration, providing user one-stop smart office with smart projection, actual low writing latency, and intelligent video conference. So my colleague, Mr. Adam, will introduce especially spend 10 minutes to introduce our ID Hub solution in next section. Okay, so that's my presentation. Thank you. I cannot hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. I was telling you that that was a great presentation and that thank you very much for being here with us today, telling us about Huawei and all the benefits that it has and how we in this partnership can help all our partners with all of the beneficials that you have. So thank you very much, Dai, to be here with us today. I appreciate it very much. And now we can introduce Adam, that is going to help us with a presentation about the Idea Hub. So, welcome, Adam. We are so glad that you are here with us, and we are so eager to hear about the Idea Hub, the beneficials that it has, and also the demo. So, you can start.
Good morning. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you. So let me just share my screen. You can confirm with me if it comes up.
Okay, let me see. We can see it now.
Okay, great. So
Perfect.
we'll be looking at the Idea Hub. Just a point to note about the devices. There are the Pro and the S models, which have different features. One of the Pro models in the 86 and 65-inch both have a little more functionality than the S models, but you still don't lose the key aspects of the device. So let's look at what this device can do. It can encompass video conferencing, it can work as a projector, it can work as a smart board, it can work as a whiteboard. So traditionally, most companies will have a setup like this, where you have to have network cables out, switches out, you need to have a projector, you need to have video conferencing equipment, you need to have a screen. Everything is separate, multiple points of failure when you want to set up a meeting. You have to have someone from IT there or somebody from tech support to be able to troubleshoot because you know whatever goes wrong is going to happen at the most crucial time. That's just how it is. So with the idea of device, you actually replace six pieces of equipment. You can replace our traditional whiteboard. You can replace a note-taking device, whatever you want to use for it. Replace a projector, a media conferencing device, uh, LCD screen, smart screen, and you can replace the speakers as well, because all of these features are designed into the Idea Hub itself. Let's go through some of the places you can use it. As you can may have noticed, you can wall mount the device, or you can have it on the stand, so it's actually mobile. And even though they're pretty heavy, like the 65 inch is 100 and something pounds, and the 86 inch is maybe close to 240 lbs, you can actually roll it by yourself on the stand from one room to the next. It's pretty easy to move in that aspect. You can also have it wall mounted if you have a designated office for it, like in your CXO offices or your permanent meeting rooms. And all these attachments come with the device. So you have options, you have choices. You can make the change if you want to have it on the wall one day, on the stand another. So let's look at the device in terms of the core functionality. The first one I want to talk about is projection. You can wirelessly share content to this device from your laptop or mobile phone. There's a code on the screen, you might see it there. You download the IdeaShare application on your device and you connect to the same network as the device, and you don't need to use HDMI cabling or anything like that. You can do presentations from the device from your phone or your PC. There's also a dongle, you can USB dongle you can plug into your laptop if you are not allowed to install software. So you don't need to use any cabling. Everything is done OTA connection via wireless, and you can do your presentations in very low latency as well. So you can use the IdeaShare projector or the application, and you can have up to 20 people connected on the app at once. That will be able to share one by one when they need to. Let's look at the whiteboard. The whiteboard is the interactive whiteboard on the device, a native feature. It uses it can use the AI to do automatic shape detection and font detection. When you write on it using the stylus or even your finger, if your handwriting is bad, it will autocorrect it. And if your shapes are not what you want it to be on chart, it will literally fix the shape for you. If you draw a circle, it will fix the circle, and it will be able to. You can do organizational charts, you can do any diagrams, and it will help you with that smart recognition feature. And all of this is on the device. You don't have to install anything. These are features that come with it. As it's a screen, you can use it for live streaming. You can use it as a bulletin board. You can use it to just show content in your office space or wherever you have the device. You can use it as digital signage, as we have done in our offices before. As you can see, the Huawei P40 advertisement is there. You have the same features on the board, but you just have a panel up to show this content that you want. So if you want to have a banner for your company, you can have it up there, and whatever you want, whatever images you want, you can have it there to show. The device also comes with the native operating system of the device is Android. All of these applications are on the Android side, but it also comes with a Windows OPS PC module built in. And there are two models for it, i5, i7, and they will be upgradable over time. And on this Windows PC, it's just like the operating system that you're all familiar with from your laptop or PC, and you can install all your third-party applications here. So if you use Zoom, Teams, WebEx, Google Meet, you can use it, and it has the built-in camera and microphone, which will be able to support your meetings, which we'll get into in a bit. And as I mentioned, the video conferencing, which is the real deal of the device. It comes with a 4K professional camera, 30 FPS, and on the Pro model, and on the S model, you get the HD camera of 1080p with also 30 FPS. It comes with the acoustic baffle noise blocking. So when you're in the room and you're there, whatever noise is outside of those blue lines, as you can see on the screen there, will not be heard in the meeting. The device is fully touchscreen and 1 millimeter, which allows perfect writing and zero latency. You literally feel like you're there in real time. The video conferencing on the device is powered by the Huawei cloud platform, which is also something available to use with it. You can have this when you have license for this cloud platform. You can make it your everyday tool. You can use it on your phone. You can also use it on your PC. So it's not just limited to using it on the Idea Hub. So let's just look at a couple cases that we looked at. We looked at the office so far. We also use it with the Ministry of Education. So it's something with smart education. Um, Students use the whiteboard, students use the video conferencing, teachers use it, and you can join it like that. I just have a short video I can show you guys about use cases in the school in smart education as well.
We know that we are going to run with this because it's making us to be on the level with what's happening globally.
Hi, Adam. Excuse me that I interrupt you. We are not seeing the video. Can you share it again, please?
Repeat that, please, Raquel.
We are not seeing the video. Can you
Let me see.
start again so we can
Sure.
see it?
Let's see. Are you able to see it now?
No, I don't know what's happening. I can hear it, but I can't see it.
Can't see it. It's
Yeah,
possible. It's possible that it's an SOD platform. Well, I can share it with you guys. I can share it with you guys so you can see it.
perfect. Thank you, Adam.
That's no problem. So just to repeat what was said, the device is full 4K camera for conferencing. Low latency whiteboard. It encompasses all the tools you need for video conferencing. You can use it on your existing platforms. You can use it with your Zoom, your Teams, your Google. It uses approximately, you just need a 10 meg connection for proper video streaming and sharing of content. And it replaces at least 6 to 7 devices that you would have in your standard conference room. So that's the end for me. I'd like to thank you all for your time and for having me this morning. Ah,
Thank you. I don't know. This virtual world nowadays is just like, hey, I can hear you. um, but I was telling you that thank you very much. That was a super interesting presentation, and thank you to everybody that joined us today. We love to have David here. We love to have Tudor here. Really, we are so glad that we can be here with you today. So. We have some questions here that we can acknowledge. I think Sam, you can help us with some questions that we have here for Nexus side, and then we can move on if we have any questions for the audience. So I will let me see Sam. Hi Sam.
Hi. Hey. Okay.
Hi. So I have a question for you. What is Nexus value proposition in the Caribbean?
Thank you so much for that question. That's a really good question, and thanks to the audience for asking that. Basically, our position is really to support and bring value to the Caribbean as an ICT distributor. And how do we intend to do that? Is through our services. I know we started a bit late, so some of us joining may have missed it. But essentially, we want to focus on bringing value through education by training and supporting partners and having them support end customers. We support through our network of engineers. We have engineers based across Latin America and Caribbean, and we leverage this through our partners, Huawei as well, who are local here with us in TT and even in Jamaica. So we have that type of support that we're able to go with our partners and help with any sort of demos, POCs, bids, tenders, etc. We're able to support financially as it relates to applying with us for credit line to support with projects, etc. And of course, we're able to devise and go to market with funds that are available to our partners to execute any sort of event, any sort of launch, etc. We can do the planning, project managing, and supporting to execute. So that is really our value proposition. We're a very hands-on distributor. We worked very seamless with our partners, and we're quite agile as well. I'm here in Trinidad and Tobago, and I have a colleague in Jamaica, Sade, and we actually have local resources on the ground to help. So thank you for that question.
Thank you, Sam, for your answer. So now I would like to call Shade and also Sam because I have a question for you both. What is Nexus sales and commercial strategy as a Huawei distributor?
Thank you, Raquel. Well, it's mainly our value add and attention to detail. Based on feedback from our partners, we have been doing excellent work. That this is from them regarding especially strategic accounts. So we leverage our sales resources and technical resources and our good relationship or excellent relationship with the manufacturer, in this case Huawei, to form good partnerships and manage or go to market, also close opportunities with our dedication, attention to detail, and expertise. Where we have a good experience from the sales perspective, and we are always learning while on the job, and it's one of our main focuses. In this way, we can assist you in the best way possible as our partner. And when we say partnership, we mean it. Thank you, Raquel. Maybe Samantha wants to add
Thank you.
something.
I don't know, Sam, yeah, if you want to add something.
Sure.
Yeah.
So to also add to Shade's response and the question, if you are interested in working with us as a Huawei partner, feel free to reach out to us as well. Our contact details are provided, and we will be sharing, of course, the presentation today as well as a recording of the session, you can get in contact with Shade or myself. Our contacts are available if you're interested. We'll walk you through the process of applying with us as a Huawei partner, and we'll walk you through what to expect as well in more detail and to really meet your specific niche market that you're looking at. And with the support of Huawei, we are able to support you with any sort of demos or POCs that you're looking at. So if you're interested in getting started with us, just give us a call or send us an email and we'll walk you through the next steps.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you very much. I would like to ask you both another question. What can we expect from Nexus in the region? What will be the next step as a Huawei reseller?
Okay, well, I'll take that one as well, Shadi. So if you're interested, please send us an email, reach out to us, and we'll work with you on that. We do have marketing funds available as well that we can support you with any sort of incentives. If you're looking to do any sort of launch independently to say an education market, we can look at positioning the idea hubs that we looked at today through the Adam's presentation as well. So if there's a specific market, we would work with you on devising the MDF funds that we have available, and we can take it from there to ensure that you are able to fully support the product portfolio and the end customer database. If you're looking to get lead generation as well, that is something we can help you with. We have a designated team, and Shadi can extend on that as well, that we can provide marketing support.
That's actually the point that I wanted to touch on, Samantha. We have an excellent marketing team. So if it is that you're not sure how to go to market, we can help you with your marketing plan. And of course, all our marketing plans have some form of return on investment expectation. So that's a plus on your side. It's we want to help you to do that. It's one of the values we're extending to you free of cost. So you don't have to pay for our marketing team. We have a marketing team that can assist you with your requests.
Thank you very much, Sam and Shade. Now I would like to ask Tudor the next question. So, Tudor, I have a question for you. What are some of the partners' incentives available to the Caribbean partners from Huawei?
Thank you, Raquel. So we have several incentives. So we have incentives ranging from demo incentive funds, we have market incentives, we have capability incentive funds. So really, the channel structure is geared towards encouraging partners to engage more with Huawei and sell more Huawei solutions. So these incentives, as I highlighted before in the presentation, they are available to all Huawei partners. Another key point I want to stress as well too is that we are a local office. We have offices in Trinidad. We have an office in Jamaica. We have an office in Guyana. We do have bodies on the ground as well too. So in addition to sales, pre-sales, we also have delivery staff. So if it is that you have any of the partners have projects that you want to engage with us through Nexus, we have support personnel that could support you as well too on these projects directly, right?
Excellent, Tudor. Thank you very much. I have one last question for you. I will put it here in the screen. What are the channel partners requirements for the various partnership levels for Huawei in terms of performance, requirement, and capability?
Great. I believe I highlighted that in one of the slides. So from the authorized partners, there's no performance threshold, right? And then you go up to a silver partner, there's a performance threshold of 0.25 million. You also required to have both sales and certified post-sales staff. So you need to have at least two trained engineers on staff and one trained salesperson on staff that is certified. And it goes up from silver to gold to value-added partner, right? So it depends on the level of the partner as well too.
Excellent, Tudor. Thank you very much.
Right.
Well, I think we reached the end of this event, but I would like to tell the team that joined us here today that we are so grateful to work with a team that is so excellent, right? From Huawei side, from Nexi side. Really, we are very glad to work with you. So we have survey that we would like you to take part in. So right now we are sharing it in the screen, so you can scan the QR code, so you can help us with the survey. And with no further ado, team, thank you very much. I don't know if any one of you want to say anything else, another word for our partners.
Nothing from my side, Raquel. Just thank you very much for everyone who attended today. I know it's a Yuletide season. Everybody's busy, sorry. But thank you for participating. It means a lot to us. Thank you very much.
I share similar sentiments as well. Thank you guys so much for participating. And if you're interested in a one to one or deep dive, you can comment on our team here today. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much. As you can see, we have a great team here in the Caribbean territory that it is it's a pleasure for us to be helping you with any requirement that you have. So for now, thank you very much, team. Thank you for everyone that joined us today. It's a pleasure to be here with you and see you the next time.
Okay. Bye, guys. Bye.
Thank you.